Welcome to Irregular Past Verbs, Part 8. In this lesson, we explore three important verbs: find, meet, and leave. These verbs do not follow the normal past tense rules, so we have to memorize their changes. Each one has a special pattern that helps us understand how the past form is made. Let us begin with find and its past form found, then move to meet and met, and finally leave and left. The verb find means to discover or get something after looking for it. In the past tense, find becomes found. For example, in the present, we say, I find my phone on the table. In the past, it changes to, I found my phone under the bed. To remember, think of changing the letter I to OU. It is a simple sound shift. Find becomes found. The verb meet means to come together with someone or to be introduced to a person. In the past tense, meet becomes met. For example, in the present, we say, they meet every Friday for lunch. In the past, it changes to, they met at the cafe yesterday. Notice that double E becomes a single E. Meet becomes met. The verb leave means to go away from a place or a person. Its past tense form is left. For example, she leaves for work at 8 in the morning. In the past, we say, she left the office early yesterday. To remember, the vowel sound changes from EA to ESO, leave becomes left. Each verb changes differently, so it helps to compare their patterns. Find becomes found, where I turns into O. Meet becomes met, where double E becomes a single E. Leave becomes left, where EA changes to E. These changes may look random, but with practice, you will begin to recognize how irregular verbs behave in groups. Let us practice using these verbs in full sentences. I found a coin on the street. We met at the train station. They left before the movie ended. He found his wallet and left quickly. Speak and repeat each sentence slowly. This helps your mouth and tongue remember the correct past tense forms. Time to check understanding. Fill in each blank with the correct past tense form. I blank find a beautiful shell on the beach. They blank meet their teacher at the museum. She blank leave her bag on the bus. We blank find the answer after checking twice. Try to recall the past forms from memory before listening to the answers. Here are the correct answers. 1. I found a beautiful shell on the beach. 2. They met their teacher at the museum. 3. She left her bag on the bus. 4. We found the answer after checking twice. If you got them all correct, great job. If not, listen again and repeat to strengthen your memory. Let us review what you learned. Find changes to found and means discovered something. Meet changes to met and means came together with someone. Leave changes to left and means went away or departed. Remember, irregular verbs do not follow typical spelling rules. The best way to remember them is by listening and practicing regularly until the patterns feel natural.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.